In this video tutorial, I will talk about how to activate home button on iPhone screen. So let's start. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So here is my iPhone 8. If you want to activate touchscreen home button on iPhone, so click on the settings and then go to general. Then click on the accessibility and then scroll down, and here you can see the option assistive touch. So click on it and turn it on, and then you can see the option. So this is the home button on the touch screen. You can go to notification. You can also go to device like this. You can volume up, you can unmute, you can volume down, you can do anything. So that's it. Hope you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.